For us, sustainability means quality and durability, but for sure also innovation. And our goal at WAGO is to use new technologies to conserve natural resources and to explore completely alternative approaches.
That's why we took our classic product, the original orange 2-to-1 series splicing connector, and re-imaged it with a focus on the topic sustainability to create the WAGO 2-to-1 series green range.
Its technical characteristics and applications are identical to those of its predecessor, but it's more sustainable.
In the past, we have only used fossil-based raw materials for plastic components. What's special about the WAGO green range is that we now source plastics that consist in part of biocircular and recycled material. The recycled material content of our green levers is certified to be at least 27%.
In our case, the insulation housing consists of up to 77% biocircular material. By replacing a portion of the fossil-based raw material change, we reduce the CO2 equivalence by up to 87% on the raw material level.
2/3 of the total plastic in our new WAGO green range is made from more sustainable materials compared to our classic 2-to-1 series splicing connector.
It represents a big step towards a greener future. Nothing is too small to have an impact.